Everybody, and welcome to my channel. And today's video is very neutral and colorful inspired. It is actually all the makeup that my little niece has picked out, and I'm just using that makeup to put a look together. I hope you guys would like it, and I hope you guys like how it turned out. If you have any questions or suggestions, or if you have any requests, please let me know. And before we even begin, could you please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and that will make my day. And to see how I get this look, please continue watching. Okay guys, so this is the final finished look. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment on my video down below, and also like the video. And if you have any suggestions or requests, please do let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!